So if you want to bolster the security of your Kit account, you should really switch on what's known as two-form authentication. So in this video I'm going to show you how to do that. The top right corner under your account name, click on settings, and you'll see down here under the login details tab on the left, you'll see at the bottom there's a multi-factor authentication option down here. There are two ways in which you can set up multi-factor authentication. One is using an Authenticator app that gives you examples there, like Authy, Google Authenticator, or 1Password. I personally use this one, Google Authenticator. It's a free app that you can download onto your phone, and anytime you want a unique one-time passcode, Google Authenticator creates that for you. The second way in which you can do it is through SMS messaging. So if you want to use your phone number to authenticate, then you select that one, enter your telephone number in, and every time you try and log into your account, it will send a one-time passcode to your phone via SMS text, and you can type your number in there. I'm going to use the Authenticator app one to show you how it works. Click on that. So now I'm going to open up the Authenticator app. I'm going to click on the plus button to scan a QR code. I'm going to scan the QR code and it just creates one right away. So there we are, we've got a new one-time passcode. Click next and put the number in, which is 648990. Enable authentication, and it gives you the message here, enable app authentication enabled. Click done. So you can now see I've got a green bar here, green tick, saying that I've now got that two-form authentication switched on. And if I want to multi-factor, I can also add in an SMS if I want to. So I recommend that's what you do. That protects you so that if someone does manage to hack into your account for some reason, they're not going to be able to log in, because you'll get a notification either via your Authenticator app or via your phone, challenging you for a one-time 6-digit code. So that's how to set up two-form authentication on your Kit account.